Good morning, welcome to Current Chem World. Today in this video, let us discuss about salt analysis, systematic qualitative analysis. Okay, we'll see the first two tests in this video. Before we study salt analysis, we must know what is salt. Okay, so what is salt? A salt is formed by reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Acid base neutralization reaction to give salt. Salt consists of, when it is dissolved in water, it gives sodium ion and chloride ion, Na plus ion, Cl minus ion. Okay, and the positively charged ion, Na plus ion, is called cation. The negatively charged ion is called anion. Okay, and cations are called basic radicals, anions are called acid radicals. Why? Because Na plus is obtained from base, so Na plus is called basic radical. Cl minus in salt is obtained from acid, as you see. Okay, so it is Cl minus is called acid radical. So obtained from base, so they are called basic radicals. Obtained from acid, they are called AA. Please remember, anions are called acid radicals. And examples: Na plus, ferrous, barium ion, calcium ion, copper 2 plus, cobalt 2 plus, etc. Examples for anions: Cl minus, carbonate, chloride, bromide, iodide, phosphate, sulfate, etc. Okay, now let us see two tests. The first one is color test. Whenever you are given a salt, okay, you look at the color first. What is the color of the salt? You will get an idea. So if it is green or blue in color, then it may be ferrous copper sulfate, for example, blue in color, nickel sulfate, green in color. Okay, and then if it is pale, if your salt in your exam you are given a salt, okay, if it is pale green, then it must be ferrous salt. It may be ferrous salt. And if it is pink in color, then it is cobalt or manganese salts. Okay, if your salt is yellow in color, then like this yellow color, and it is a chromate salt. If it is dichromate, is reddish orange, whereas chromate color is intense yellow. The next second test is action of heat. Okay, after looking at the color, the second test is action of heat. In this test, a substance is taken in a test tube and heated. Okay, if it gives colorless gas, on heating, your unknown substance gives colorless gas which turns lime water milky. That means it gives, the salt is carbonate. Carbonate salt on heating gives carbon dioxide gas. Okay, and in another test tube you take lime water, slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. Okay, you bring the two tubes closer in slanting position so that CO2 gas go into lime water test tube, and the CO2 gas reacts with the Ca calcium hydroxide to form calcium carbonate, which gives milky. Okay, which turns lime water milky. Now, if a substance gives reddish brown gas, then it is due to NO2, nitrate salt. It shows the presence of nitrate salt. And then if you heat your substance, okay, and you will get sublimate, that is precipitate around the top of the test tube. Okay, there is no precipitate at the bottom. There are some precipitate formed at the top. Okay, that is sublimate, called sublimate, with the smell of ammonia. Then it is due to the presence of ammonium salt in your, and then when you heat the substance, it becomes yellow when hot, and cold when you cool it, it becomes white. That is presence of zinc salt. Zinc salt on heating it becomes yellow, and on cooling it becomes white. If your salt on heating gives black residue, then it indicates copper ion, cobalt salt, nickel salt, maybe manganese salt. Then sixth, charring on heating, charring with the burned smell of sugar, then it indicates the presence of oxalate and tartrate. Okay, thank you for watching. In further videos, we will see the third and fourth test, etc.